afraid. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Love of Theo channel. I'm Theo here. Now we are in Kariako in Nairobi county number 047, not 0, county number 407. So today I've met this awesome and beautiful lady here. She's called Pamba Arnolda, as I told you before. So see her and how beautiful she looks like, how she's a vibe.
Let me help you hold the camera for you.
Yes.
Said I think they...
that's nice.
Or maybe, no, I'm too short. Let me just stand here. Yes. So yes, hi good people, how are you doing? This is the one and only Pamba Arnolda, you know, who brings you the best of the best vlogs. Good people. So yes, it's so much of a pleasure to meet up with you. We've been planning this for a while now. We were to do this before I went to Kampala, but at least for now we found time to meet up and do a video together. We are at the market where I do sell these bags. I buy them from here. Let me market myself on your channel, please allow me.
Okay, yeah.
Yes, good people, these are the bags that I sell. They are called drum bags. There are different varieties. We have those ones and we have the sling bags as well, you know, like the kiondo kind of. So yeah, for like $20, $25, $30 only, very affordable. But yes, how do you do?
I'm okay. And thank you so much for accepting the invite and coming to my channel once again.
To market myself. Make sure you guys check out 77 Bags on Instagram. I really love what you do. He's really committed to what he's doing, and it's been a journey. I love that. Yeah. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow. Thank you. I love that you've kept pushing and he's reached the monetization stage, you know, at last. So he's already applied for monetization. We are waiting for the pin, which will take around 2 to 4 weeks. It shouldn't go past that, you know. So yeah, we're waiting for the pin so that you guys, he can start getting the chums. And then maybe we can start traveling together.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for that.
Sure, yeah. We start hitting the road together with him and show you the beautiful places in Africa, in Kenya, in Nairobi. Just, you know, Rwanda, we'll go to Burundi, meet the Burundian traveler, experience life at his place as well. Because, you know, there's the stereotype about Africa. We just, you know, most people, I don't know, most people still hold the belief that when you hear of Africa, you just hear war, diseases, famine, epidemic, you know, and all that. But we have the beautiful, but I'm not dismissing the fact that war and famine, they are there in Africa, but we also have the beautiful parts. You know, technologically, we are also advanced. You know, we have beautiful roads and structures. Look at the expressway. Have you seen the expressway?
Yes, absolutely. But not on top, but just below how the pillars look like.
Oh, you should now go to the expressway going all the way to JKIA. And also you can cover Thika Road as well. I love what Nabsara did when she came around. Yeah, so you can show them the beautiful places so that they can get to, you know, see the beauty of Africa. The Nairobi that you don't normally see on TV. Yeah. So we are really at a very busy roundabout here.
And that's why I'm looking around.
Yeah, he's very cautious of his phone.
Yeah, that's everything. Without his phone, nobody will.
This is your tool of trade.
Yes.
Your office. So you have to really be very meticulous when you're around here. We've just learned that because this area is called OTC, I think from the other side, and we've just googled and known what OTC means because those are initials. But the Overseas Trading Company, that's the meaning of OTC because there are so many trading centers around here. Right behind us you can see some beautiful shoes, the leather shoes.
Yes.
The beautiful leather shoes. And then there's, I think that's the leather that they used to make the shoes. They are drying it up here. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's the leather. I think it's been painted and now being dried. So they are drying it and then they'll make shoes out of it. Oh yes, it's okay. So let's continue this way because I'm going to the back. This is the sector of shoes. Oh nice.
Sikuonyeshi.
Yeah, most people usually have a problem. They think when you're holding the phone this way, you are recording them with the other side. There's someone who is really concerned back there.
Yes. So this is Kariako.
The
The beautiful bags. Oh, these are the bags, eh?
Yeah, most of them. That's the variety of the bags over here. Same. And then the ornaments as well, necklaces, bangles, rings. Look at this. Look at like this one.
I think you are obsessed with these bags, eh?
Yeah, because they just show the African beauty.
Okay, this is awesome.
Yeah, look at the gold necklaces over here. Look at this. Like for the kings and queens, you can show them. Look at all this. And they're at a very affordable price. So good people, if you need this and you want me to ship it over to you, reach out. You know where to holler at me.
Yes,
Pamba Anoda, just reach out.
You can just say where they can
Yeah,
get you.
because even the ones we are getting right now, they are going to China. There's a friend of mine in China who's marketed my business to other friends.
In
so
China?
So
That's
they are
awesome.
ordering bags from me to ship for them overseas.
Okay.
You know, these things are not in China.
So
Look at this, the Kenyan flag. You see the Kenyan flag over here.
this place is lovely. So this place is awesome.
The shoes, more shoes as well, the leather shoes, and more of the Maasai. These are the Maasai culture necklaces over here. I think this is for the Jamaican vibe. The colors, you can see yellow, green, red, mostly.
Bro.
Yeah. But look at
So
this.
this place is
You can
very
use this
nice.
as necklaces or for the head. I think the head bangles. These are called chokers.
Chokers.
These are chokers for the neck.
For the necks.
Yeah, very beautiful. You can wear them around your neck. And beautiful bells as well. The beautiful bells. There's someone playing music here. So you have to
Not
be very
music.
quick.
I think we can go.
You are wonderful, Jehovah God.
Yes.
Yeah, so
You are wonderful, King of Guruli. You are wonderful, Jehovah.
yeah.
I'm afraid. So
So this is where we're taking the turn. I think where I buy from is just some place in there.
inside, eh?
Yeah, I have someone whom I buy from. So I'm a
A loyal customer.
Yeah, to just one who we connect
And you should
with.
also be loyal customers to Anolda outside there.
Yeah.
So we are
Good
in.
people, yes.
It's
I
called
think it's this way or there.
Kariako.
Yeah, we go this way.
This way.
Yeah, show them the drums. Look at this. The
Which
drums.
one? This one.
The African drums.
Hey, look at Africa. This is now Africa, the real Africa.
This is the giraffe, you know, reaching out at the
The-
branches
the
to
branches
feed on
to
them.
feed on, yeah.
And then the gourds for milk. You can
This
put
is
your
for milk.
here.
Some Mursik.
Yeah. The Kalenjin tribe.
This place is awesome. I love it. This is Koriako. Koriako.
Beautiful. These are for the fridge, guys.
Eh?
I think you can put this on your fridge. They have the magnet, the magnet behind it. I think for like $2. I don't know how much they. Yeah, how much? So $3. Yeah, around $3.5 for. Zote ni $3.50. So they go for like $3.5 each of them. You can take the flamingos and the safari legend things.
The matatus. The Kenyan matatus.
Look at the beautiful mirror over here. So beautiful.
So
look at that.
Anolda can see herself there.
But I really want this in my house. I really should get one or two. Then look at the beautiful clock as well. Look at this. This is the African beauty. Look at that. You know, just at the sides they've put the beads to show the African colors and beauty. I'm looking all colorful, almost like I'm blending with the colors as well. Yeah.
So this is Africa.
Yes,
Hey,
yes.
I like this place. I've never been here. And
That's kama itaisho. You need to show it.
yes.
Yes.
So guys, these are the beautiful place here that Pamba Anolda has brought me to this beautiful and awesome place. To Mama, she knows her customer name very well. So this is the busy place called Koriako, and beautiful things are happening here. If you need the African things, African products, African African products, African bags, anything about Africa, you'll find them right from this beautiful and awesome place here. So ladies and gentlemen,
So
let's...
yes, let me. You paused.
No,
So
no.
yeah, this is usually where I buy. She's called Mama Mwende. She's
Mama
in there.
Mwende.
Yeah, I was just speaking to her, telling her what I needed. But I usually just come here. I'm very loyal to her.
To her.
By the way, very loyal. Come say hi. We are doing a YouTube video here, and I was showing them where I buy my bags. You can just say hi.
Okay, hi.
Yeah, this is Mama Mwende who sells me the bags.
Okay.
Yes, so today I'm here to pick two types of bags. We usually have this one made out of the locally sourced sisal. There's music and everything. And there's banging, heating. Forgive us for the noise. Good.
Asante.
So yes, I'm here for two bags.
Yes.
So this one is made out of sisal that is just locally sourced, and then we have, I think this one is from the reeds. So I'm here for the two types. These are reeds from Rwanda. Yeah.
From Rwanda.
Yeah, they're imported all the way from Rwanda. I think it comes from underneath the waters. That's where they harvest them. So yeah, these are the two types. These are different from this one. Which one is beautiful to you?
This one.
That one? Yeah, so I'm here for like 2-3 bags. I think I can pick 2 or 3. So yeah, this is how they make them. You can show them how he's making
this
them
one.
over here. Yeah, I think that's just part of it.
Oh, this is decoration now. Hey. Say hello.
Hello.
Just like that, hello. This is awesome. So this is in Kenya nini?
This kid
Okay, that's awesome. So he's just telling me that it's a skin from the cow.
Actually, Mama Mwende was explaining to me that what she's making is like this one. I think they are
this one.
called flavs.
Flabs.
Flavs.
Flavs?
Flavs. Yeah. These ones. Yeah, over here. So I want to take pictures and then send my friend so that she can choose. So you should just
Oh, you are
put
taking
them here.
a photo.
And take photos and send to her. So she can choose quick and we proceed.
Oh, she's
This one is
online
like
already.
This one, yeah. This one is the same as this one.
This one is the same as this
Yeah,
one.
I think they mostly resemble. Let me take photos of these ones now. I think they usually have the same, no, the same pattern. It's a
same
different
pattern.
one.
This
This
one
one
a
is,
different
yeah,
pattern.
it's a different pattern. Let me see for this one. Different pattern as well.
I bet she'll choose this one.
Okay, let me just take photos. Take photos for her. I send her on WhatsApp so that she can do the picking. That's how we do business in Nairobi to survive. Yeah, she's taking some beautiful photos so that she can pick, and then we, becomes a pleasure doing business. We should buy one for you. Are you married? You're married? You're
How
married?
many? Yes.
You can
Which
buy
one?
one for your wife.
How much is this?
This one is for only 2,000 shillings.
Only.
Yes.
Only.
For you, because you are you. Yeah.
Because it's me. Okay. That's okay.
This one is for 1,500 shillings.
100.
Yeah.
What's the difference?
Because of the sisal and then the reeds
Oh, the reeds.
from
This one
Rwanda.
has the reeds.
That's the difference.
This one, the size of... Oh.
Yeah. That's the difference.
Understand.
Let me
Okay.
put myself, I send her, then we wrap it up.
Korea.
Yeah.
So she's online right now.
I hope so. Or maybe I can call her to come online. I don't know, I can just... Also, if she's not online, I usually just do my own picking. And then she will be impressed, because once you're doing it as if you're doing it for yourself, you pick the best, she will be impressed. Like, you've been impressed with this one more than this one, so you can easily just pick one. Listen, so that she can do the picking. Yeah. So, now that I've got you on camera, are you supporting my business today?
Yes, I'll support your business, but not
Today?
today. Where are you today?
He has refused.
I have not refused.
On her birthday. Do you want to surprise her like on her birthday?
Yes. Her birthday is next year. Probably next year. Not next year. Next year is too far.
Really? Okay, so I think we'll go with this one in case she's not online. But this is bigger.
This one is bigger.
I ask if kuna zingine zenye uko nazo zaidi. Naweza ona? Because this one, do you know how to hang it back there? You're tall.
I'm tall enough to hang them. To hang.
Yeah, hang that one back there. I help you.
I'm pretending to be tall.
Let me hold for you. Yeah.
All of them.
No, this is that. Because this one I think you might have been impressed with. This one you can hold it. You show them the earrings, the beautiful earrings and stuffs there. Let me see who is the owner here. Look at that. The beautiful earrings over here. And the ornaments
So
where you can put
these are
your
the
earrings.
African earrings.
And then here you can put your earrings in there. And then these are bangles.
Oh, this is like a store.
Where you can put your earrings. Are you even capturing?
Ladies, I'm doing that. Ladies. This is awesome. This is the African soap. This is the African market, isn't it? Everything is Africa here.
Yeah.
There's nothing that is outside Africa. This is awesome. So hizi ndo zinaitwaje? The bones.
Bone earrings.
Which bone? The cow bone. So these are the earrings. We have the bangles, the bag. So if you need these things here, right here, just visit Pamba Anola's YouTube channel so that she will be able to ship them to you. If you need them from your area, she can ship them to you. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you check
Theo. Ni rahisi.
check it out.
Mapenzi nani anasahau? Theo. Theo. Yeah, Theo.
So this is the bag from the
Alafu yangu ni Anolda Pamba. Pamba cotton.
Pamba, are you done?
No. So I'm waiting for her to pick.
Oh,
to choose from the ones I've shared with her.
Okay.
So we just give her some time. She picks and then tells me that one and that one and that one.
She's online.
Yeah.
She's online. That is okay.
Yeah, she's online. She has responded. I tried calling her. She says she's in a meeting right here. She's called Christine. So I've just sent the photos.
She's an African or a...
Can it even like show? Yeah, she's African. We went to the same university with her. So it's here. I've just sent the photos of what.
The contact.
Yeah. Oh, I know it can't. Just the name. And then now she says she's forwarding the pictures that she has chosen. Okay. You can zoom out. This video is all over the place. Forgive us, good people. But we just wanted to show you the beauty that is around here. Yeah.
I've never been in here.
So
I've never.
We'll take these two. You've never. It's your first time.
It's my first time to be in
And then this
Kariako.
one.
Yes.
So those are three. And one more.
She needs how many?
Is this impressive?
This is
Compared this one to this one, which
this
one
is
is big?
okay. This is neatly done, and this is like you see the way it is. It's like it's old somehow.
It's a bit. Yeah. I know
A
this.
bit worn out. Eh?
Yeah.
It's a bit worn out. So this is Koriako, the beautiful market, African market. You can order your things through Pamba Nolda's YouTube channel. Go there, check out.
Yeah, I have even like a spread shop on YouTube where you can
yes,
see the
I've seen
variety.
that.
Yeah.
I have seen that. So I think if you need it, just holla her,
Yeah, yeah.
inbox her. Actually, you have your phone number.
Yeah,
somewhere.
it's there on my description. On my YouTube description, I have my number there. Yeah.
So that she will do what? She will ship them to you, whatever you need from this market, whatever you've seen from this video. Make sure if you need it, just visit her YouTube channel, inbox her through WhatsApp, and she'll do the necessary to you.
So I'm just clearing up with the transaction here because now I'll get paid like later on, so I have to use my own money first to purchase them for now because I trust her. She's a friend anyway, so I can do this because I know she's not running away. I'll catch her. So I've taken these two. Let me take to her. So no, these two, and then this one, and I'm not so sure about this one. I don't know. Okay, you can hang this one again.
Let me hang it. The tall person in the room.
I can hold it for you. You hang.
The house.
Can you hang?
To me, stretching myself. I'm supposed to be tall. So Kariako market. So all the way, since we have started from the other side to this area here, this is still the market for this beautiful place here called Koriako. All the African stuff that you may need, things are done well and nicely. So right here, it's Koriako market right here that people are making so many things that are doing a very nice business right here. Getting these things right here. As I told you, whatever you need from this area, from this place, you can get them right here. So this is still Koriako market right here, and people are very busy making it African, making everything look African right here. So thank you so much. Make sure you like the video, you subscribe and share.
US.
Aka nikadogo ngoja hii kubwa kidogo. Ngoja nichukue kubwa. Hii ina nini kidogo.
For how long have you done this?
Almost 10 years.
10 years. Wow.
10 years experience.
10 years experience. This gentleman here is saying he has done
10 years
experience.
experience 10 years.
Still adding experience. Day in, day out. How is the business?
I know business is too bad.
Too bad.
I know it's too bad.
So how did you start? What inspired you?
The problems which was facing me.
Like? Are you ready to share?
I can share. You know, if you don't have a work, you can do a lot of things. You can wash toilets. You can start many things.
So it's because of that is why you started this business.
I had a family, they want to eat, want to pay house rent.
Yes, they have to eat. They have to go to school.
So
They have to dress.
I decided to start this. Almost I am the first person in Kariako to start making this business. Decorative.
So are you doing it for a number of people or you are doing it for yourself?
If you go to worldwide, you will see my work. Like this one, this one here. The one location for these ones.
You're saying this one's here?
These ones.
Yes.
For me.
Okay.
If you go worldwide, you will see my work.
Okay. It's called?
What?
It's called what?
Worldwide.
Yes.
Yaani dunia mzima.
Worldwide.
That's awesome. You see my work. From North Pole to South Pole.
Not called to South Pole. This is your work right here. Oh, that's awesome. So
from longitudes to latitudes.
That's beautiful. Okay. So you are enjoying the job.
I enjoy the job.
So
I can watch a lot of movies while I'm working.
Watching movies while working.
It's not much to concentrate on what I'm doing. I can work watching movies.
Won't you miss?
I can't miss.
For only 10 years you are already done. You are a pro.
I have done a lot in this industry.
Okay, that's awesome. So that's a very good job.
This one, you can. I have children who are in school. So I got fees from here.
From making this.
From here.
Okay. So, Kariako, there's somebody else who has emulated you or taken the business, like you have taught someone?
I have taught a lot of people
about to do this.
Some boys.
Some boys,
Okay.
So they are now working, doing this somewhere else.
Sometimes I give them a job consistently. But not all. If you want to know this one, you have to concentrate and put all your minds here. Within a week, you are coming up.
So maybe if I may ask, this material here, are you the one to cut from maybe after getting the material? The one, everything you do.
This material comes from constructions. Because if the house is corrupting, hey!
So you can see that the guy who decorates these stuffs here, he's telling me, he's giving me some stories how he started, how he does this beautiful, awesome job right here. So guys, make sure you check this video. If you need any product like this, check out to Pamba Nolda's YouTube channel. She'll be able to do the necessary to ship them to you. If you want to look African, she will sort you out. Yeah, so this market here is basically looks African. Everything is African right here, from here. Kariako in Nairobi. I've just been hearing about this name, but I've never been in this beautiful and awesome place. It's a very awesome place. It's a very beautiful place. Business is as usual. So many people are very busy right here from this place here. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for keeping locked to this YouTube channel here. Thank you so much, and make sure you comment down below what do you think about this video right here. And also don't forget to visit Pamba Nolda's YouTube channel and check out what the beautiful work she is doing right here. There, she inspires me a lot. She has a surprise very soon. She's moving. She's having a surprise. So for that surprise, make sure in like 2-3 days check on her channel. She's having a surprise right there. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm hanging out in Kariako market right here, where everything is African. The products are African, key holders are African, the shoes are African, the dresses are African, the bags are African. Everything here is African right here. People are working day in, day out to make sure that the Africa gains its glory. Africa gains its glory by it's called by product turning its resources or its product bioproducts, not bioproducts as such, but natural resources into beautiful and awesome things that can be used. So all this that you are seeing right behind me here, these are the things that Africans used to make. The African people used to make. They used to have bags with size, so without plastic bags. They didn't have plastic bags. They didn't have these suitcases, but these are the things that they used to do, to carry everything that they harvest after harvesting from the garden. Maybe from after harvesting, they use this one to move their products from the garden up to the homestead, to the stores, using this bag here. When a lady goes to the market, they still use this bag here to go to the market to get the products from the market. When there's marriage in some tribes, whatever they're taking to the in-laws, they're being carried in all this pamba. She's back.
Yes, I'm back. I'm here.
Yeah.
We're taking a quick short commercial break.
So I was telling them that these bags here, they used our ancestors used them to buy everything going to the market.
Yeah,
we didn't have the suitcases, we didn't have the plastic bags, so that they use this one to go to the in-laws to take dowry, some products for the
so if you want to connect with your ancestors, please
come here.
feel free, reach out and buy 1-2 bags and connect with your ancestors. Look at this one, it's very beautiful, but then I need this type. Apart from just having this one, I need to get like because it's bigger. Even it's bigger, you can now put all your earthly possessions in there. You're going for a sleepover, you can even carry plus the iron box.
The iron box. Hey ladies,
Yes,
the
for
iron
sure.
box,
It
the
can
shoes,
fit there, yeah.
bread,
All that, yeah.
So, and this one, Africans, a long time ago, before clothes, they used this one to make clothes with them. So this one also is so it's just
Pure leather.
I think this place is trying to return back the glory of Africa.
Yeah.
African glory.
Yeah,
So this one here, they used to decorate maybe the products using this stuff here. Now that we're using the mirror, they are using it to decorate the mirror. Yes. Even the wall clock, everything right here. So
Just waiting for her. She's not here in a hurry. We only have 10 minutes to leave here.
wow. And we are afraid of the jump.
Leather plus the Ankara material. You've shown them?
Not
The
yet.
leather plus the Ankara
Ankara,
material for
this
your
one.
traveling bag. So if you're a traveler and you feel like you need one,
Make sure you travel.
very beautiful, and it has beads on the sides, some beads
Some beads.
on the sides, just as a decor on the zip.
There's a lot of
Looking
creativity
beautiful,
here.
yeah, it's very beautiful.
Oh, this is awesome.
Let me take a picture of it.
Necklaces are here. There's something I need from here.
Like?
It's called a wrist whatever, this one.
Oh, yeah, this one. I think they must have it, definitely.
It's called Kariako.
Yeah.
Okay. So ladies and gentlemen, we are out of the Kariako market, and this is the products that Pamba Nolda has already bought. This is from
That's from the reeds, the Rwandese reeds. Yeah, they're harvested from the waters and imported to Kenya from Rwanda to make the leather bags. Because this is leather out of the cow and the camel leather. This one is from the sisal. It's locally sourced. This one is locally sourced. Yeah, but it's also leather and the size of it. Yeah, you can pick any of them. These we picked like 5 pieces for my friend in China who's really supported me for a long time. So yes, good people, please feel free to buy one and support my business. He has promised to buy one sometime
Yes,
for the
I'll
wife
buy.
during her birthday.
Yes. So
Okay.
ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching this channel. Shout out
Yes,
channel.
yeah. People, please feel free to reach out to Pamba and Older, hit that subscribe button, join the family. It will make me very happy, and also support him. Please subscribe, close to 5,000 subscribers. He's very hardworking, doing a very wonderful job. There's someone behind it. So yes, thank you so much. Please support him and show him some love.
Thank you.
Bye-bye for now.
Bye. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. She's rushing somewhere.
Yeah,
So bye,
we're
bye,
really in a
bye.
hurry.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Subscribe.
See you again in the next video.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.